So all of you have to do this work in Maths Fair notebook. Okay, on the same page you can start Maths Fair notebook. Same page. If you want, if you have a space, you can start from same space, same there. Maths Fair notebook. You have to do this one. In the previous period, what I taught you, after that, we are continuing this only. Okay? I'm going to continue this. So I am going to show my video to all of you. I hope you are not able to see my video. Speakers. Maths Fair notebook. We are going to start question number D now. Be quick. Question D. Start. Do not write tick. Instead of write circle. Instead of writing tick, write down the word circle. Circle the numbers. Circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. This is the question written. Circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. Have you written like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. 300.
Ma'am, please get aside.
Beta, how will I write if I get a side? You have to circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility test of 2? What will you check for the divisibility test of 2? Tell me quickly.
And for that, we will check the last digit.
Yes. You under this line you can write last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Under this you can write this. As soon as you write this whole line, last digit, and do it yourself. Circle it yourself. And do not send the answers now. Circle it yourself. I am here only, okay? Just copy it down. I'm just muting myself for. So shall we circle 300, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because the last digit is 0. Shall we circle this? 221?
No, ma'am. No,
Shall we
ma'am.
circle 116?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall we circle 55?
No, ma'am.
Shall we circle 108?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall we circle 153?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is the whole answer. Do it everyone quickly. If somebody is still doing, raise your hand.
Ma'am, I have done.
If you have done, well and good. Draw the ending line now. Leave one line, draw the ending line after this. Draw the ending line after this. And after this, write question E. Write question E after this. I will write here. I'm writing above. Okay, so I'm rubbing this question D. I'm writing question E instead of here.
Ma'am, now there is no space.
No space? If there is no space, then start from a new page. Can you write there only? Is it possible? You don't have space. Start from a new page. Write question A now. For each of the given numbers, so write this question E for each of the given numbers. Write if it is divisible only by 5 or by both and 5 or by none also. It can be possible. So I'm going to give you a few questions. What is the divisibility test of 5? 5? Quickly tell me.
5. The last number. Ma'am, the last number is 5 or 0.
Last number should be 5.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Everyone
Ma'am,
is
last
writing.
number is 0 or 5.
Yes, last number is 0 or 5. And for 10, what is the answer?
Ma'am, only 0.
Okay, now divide your page in 2 equal parts. Divide your page in 2 equal parts. Do question 1 here, 2 here. Okay, then 3 here and 4 here. Like this we will do. So first question is 75. So we have to check this by 5, by 10. Okay, so what we check, we always check the last digit. Last digit is common in both of them. So last digit is what? What is the last digit? Last digit 5. With the last digit. Gar.
Before the morning.
Gar.
Yes, ma'am.
What are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you speaking? Switch off
Ma'am,
your
I
mic.
am speaking nothing.
Switch off your mic. Last digit is 5. So it is divisible by 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it is divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 10?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not divisible by 10. Is divisible by 5? It is not divisible by 10. Like this you have to do. Do it yourself, the second question. Second question, do it yourself, it's 100. Third question you have to do yourself. Third question is 551. And the fourth one is 95. Do it yourself. All four of them.
Ma'am, we have to write last digit also.
Obviously, that is the main point.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Why, beta? It's my right only coming. I
Mama.
have put myself on my spotlight.
Ma'am, now it's fine. Ma'am, this we have to post.
What? This we have to cost?
Ma'am, in WhatsApp group.
Post, acha. First do it, then post it. First complete it. Aditya, always whenever you enter into the class, please
Okay,
change
ma'am.
your name, Aditya. Your name is always iPhone written over there. Please change your name. First one I have done, second, third, fourth, do it yourself. I have written the answers here. Okay, I got 3 more new answers. By the time you check it,
Am I correct?
okay, good. Who is this? Akshat Sahu, good. Akshat, now you are doing the better work. Good, Divyanshu, very nicely done, beta. Mehul. Mehul, do this one. Understood, Mehul? Any problem in this one? Any problem in this one now? Okay. Copy down this quickly, everyone. Copy down, nahi, check it. All of you have done this, I know. Now check it. Okay. After this, take out your maths book, page number 67. Take out your maths books, page number 67. Everyone, okay, ma'am. Go and bring your maths books, page number 67. Check this, by the time, check this answer. Those who have taken out, just check this answer. Beta?
Ma'am, what is the page number? I'm open.
Acha, you want to know the page number again and again, na? Swarnim? So I'm writing the page number here, page number 67.
Ma'am, girl asking, I'm not asking.
Okay. Girl also want to ask again and again. So it is written there. Page 67.
Ma'am, open.
See the answers of this one. So I'm going to rub this. Question number E. Okay. Now you have to take out not maths pair notebook, only maths book. Pair notebook you may close now.
To give a sum that is by dash, then 3 is a factor.
Okay.
I have taken out the math book.
Pratishtha done. Yes, Pratishtha, it is correct. Good, Pratishtha. Okay. Now we will do question number E itself in the book only. Not in notebook. We will do fill in the blanks in the book. But be careful. Okay. Keep them safely. A number that is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. What is that number?
Ma'am, it will be divisible by 6 also.
Very good. It will be divisible by 6 also. Now I will ask any one of you to read out the question. I will not read out the question. You will read out the question. I will say the name only that person. I will say the name. Okay. Arushi, speak out the second question.
Numbers that end in dash and dash are divisible by 5.
Okay. Numbers that end dash and dash are divisible by 5. So what two numbers are divisible by 5? Tell me everyone.
0 and 5.
0 and 5.
0 and 5.
5 or 0 or 0 or 5. Both are correct. Okay. Now, Bhavishya, read out the third question.
If the digit of number add up to give a sum that divisible by dash, then 3 is a factor of the number.
If the digits of the number add up. Let me speak up, surname.
And 9.
Okay, see, listen to me. If the digits of the number add up to give a sum that is divisible by dash, then 3 is a factor of the number. So we have to divide that number by 3. Okay, that's the remainder will be 0. So what is the answer?
And 3.
3. 3 is the answer. The sum of the numbers should be, when we add the digits, it should be divisible by 3. Then 3 is a factor of that number. Okay, question number 4. Okay. Mehul, read out the fourth one, sorry.
Dash are the number we multiply in order to get a product.
Dash are the numbers
Factor.
we multiply in order to get a product. So what are the numbers we
Factor.
multiply to get a product?
And factors.
Factors are the numbers we
Factor.
multiply. Sorry, yes. Factors. Question 5 is in division dash and dash are both factors of the dividend if there is no remainder. In division, okay, let me ask somebody to read out the question. Wait for a minute. Divyanshu, read the first question. Read the fifth one, sorry.
In the division, the dash and dash are both factors of the division if there is no remainder.
See, in division, what they are saying.
That
Now,
question
let me explain this question to everyone. Keep yourself mute, or if you are not on mute, then keep your mouth shut. Okay, for some time. So question is in division. Let me explain this question. This is quite tough. Okay. In division, the dash and dash are both factors of the dividend. Dividend is this number. Suppose I ask you factors we are talking about. If I ask you to find out the factors of 24. So what you will do, you will start dividing. Okay, 24. Suppose we are finding out by 3. This number is 3. So we have to divide 3 8s are 24. See? So we can find out that this is also, so dividend is what here? Dividend is 24. Now we have to find out that this is dividend 24. We have to find its factors. So one of the factor is 3 here and one of the factor is 8 here. 3 and 8 both are its factors. Now Pratishtha, tell me what is 3 here? What is 3 here? Remainder, quotient, division, divisor, dividend. What is 3 here, Pratishtha? Unmute yourself and tell me. What is 3? So I didn't ask you.
Ma'am, it's the divisor.
It's the?
Ma'am, it is the divisor.
It is the divisor. Yes, very good. It is the divisor. And what is it 8? What is this 8?
Question.
Quotient. Quotient. Nobody will say quotient. It is quotient. What is it? Quotient. Say.
Quotient.
Yes. So this is divisor and this is quotient. Both of them are the factors of 24 or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, both are the divisor of 24. So what are the divisors of the dividend? What are the factors of dividend? Divisor and quotient. What will be the answer here? Divisor and quotient. Divisor and another one you can write quotient. Okay. Note this down.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I am already done.
Who has to do it already? Who said I have already done? Okay. See the spelling of divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Okay. Now I'm going to, since 4 minutes are still left and we have finished this exercise. The exercise is finished up now. Now we will start about this prime numbers and composite numbers. We will study about
Ma'am,
numbers.
Prime and
Surname?
prime numbers are the numbers which are.
Surname? There are some manners of the class. Online classes, you know that. Even the class also, same manners.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just going to give you, you have to revise something, okay? I am asking you, tell me the factors of 2. All factors of 2 you can tell. All factors of 2. Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
1 and?
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
2. If I ask you all factors of 3.
And 3 and 1.
Any other factor? Any other factor?
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. All factors of 5,
1 and 5.
Any other factor? Any other factor? 1 and 5. Factors of
1 and 7.
1 and now, if I ask you, write down all factors of
1 and 4.
1 and 4 only. All I'm asking about all factors.
1, 2,
Huh?
2 and
1, 2, and 4. Okay, can you see the difference between these and that number? Okay, all factors of 6.
and 1, 6. 1, 6.
Hmm?
And 1, 6, 2. 1, 6, 2. 1, 6, 2, 3.
Can you see the difference between them and them? Can you see the difference? What is that difference? You are going to tell me in our next lecture. Okay, the meeting is going to be over. You have one more period. Enjoy your day, everyone. The meeting will end soon. Okay, Rehansh is feeling sleepy. Rehansh, you are feeling sleepy? Rehansh,
I am feeling.
are you feeling sleepy?
I am feeling.
Yes, you are feeling sleepy. Who is feeling sleepy? Who is saying, I am feeling sleepy?